We'll start. I'll just recap the previous session. I'll show how. So okay, I'm just going with this account. So I'll try to log in, show you how it works. Hmm? Just my screen visible now. Hmm? Is my screen visible? Okay. Thank you for that. Okay, now I'll show you. I'm aware about a question how to log in. So let's go with that question. And the first 10 to 15 minutes, I'll recap the previous session as well because that was an important session. So I am just going into Gmail. I've logged in with my Gmail and ads.google.com. I'm signing it. Once I'm signing it, it is asking me, do you want to have any Google Ads account? Would you like to create one? And I would like to create one new Google Ads account. Okay. Create your first campaign in few simple steps. No. Add business information first. It is optional, but let's add test class of Google Ads. So Google Ads slash keyword planner. We can give our website and we can give your business phone number. So as of now, we don't have any website, so we'll give you the business phone number here in India. The same way, we could also link your Google Ads account with the App Store as well. So Google Ads can be worked on websites and as well as App Store as well. So uh, if you don't have both, we can also use your business number as well. For example, if there are any small businesses, just like flower bouquets, shops, or a small cake, or small electricians, small kirana shops, they can create their Google My Business profiles and um, where they can submit their details and it will be reflecting on Google Maps as well. If someone search for any kind of keyword related to their business services, then it will reflect it. This is how this three category comes in. But most probably, majorly, we will Google Ads will run with the help of website because then only we can uh, drive data driven business. Okay. As of now, I'm going with my uh, mobile number. You can also link with YouTube channel and mobile number call ads as well. You can run call ads. So as of now, I'm long not doing that activity. You can also link up with mobile. See, I have said that Google My Business profile. Uh, Usually, you see that lot of if you search something on Google Maps, then you'll be getting some profiles. So those will be coming if we integrate Google My Business profile. If we create a Google My Business profile of particular business, and if you optimize that profile, then uh, we will get our profiles in Google Maps. That is how it works. So as of now, I'm skipping it. I don't want to use all these activities. You can add it just a click away. I'm just skipping this session. It's asking what kind of campaigns we need to run. As of now, I'm skipping it. Leave the campaign. We are not going with any campaign. We are just looking for keyword planner. While we start with the Google Ads class, I will show you how to create campaigns there. But as of now, we are just skipping all the ad campaigns and we're just moving into the payment section. Here, we want to write the billing country, time zone, and currency. Continue, submit. Want to personal? No, they're asking. I mean, Google team is asking us for. I mean, do we require any personalized guidance from them? So as of now, we don't require. So initially, in the last class, I have said that for a new users, Google will give you 20,000 of ad budget amount which we can use if we spend some amount. I mean, 20,000 of limit in first 3 months. It will give you 20,000 credits with a coupon code. So that coupon code we need to integrate. I mean, we need to link up here to get 20,000 of free credit to run the ads. So as of now, I'm just practicing it. So I'll just skip all the things and move to the submit button. Here, organization name, individual or organization. You can select either. I mean, if you are running for businesses, you can select with the organizations, or if you're using for solo proprietorship or uh, just like I have shared that Google My Business profiles. Okay, for that you can use as individual just like kiranas or vegetable shops, any flower bouquet shops near us, so everything will be registered on Google Maps. For those kind of activities you can click individual, but for companies, organizations, private limited, public limited, everything will be registered on organization. So you can select either of them, no issues. I'm just giving this name. We need to submit this detail. Just giving Raidurg, Hyderabad, file at 8, Telangana. It is asking us for private. Uh, we can enter the card details, but it will not. Uh, we can give dummy card details. I mean, no, we have to give genuine card details. Earlier, it was not asking any card details, but I think Google has updated it. So it is asking as a mandatory field. We need to give any of the card details here, but no issues. It will not deduct it from any of our account. So, yeah, I have. See, I have done it. I've selected the option called I'll transfer with the bank, and it has given its bank detail. Now I'll complete it. Now we have created your account. I mean, if we don't use our card details, then we have to give an option called select with bank account or bank transfer or left as well. See, I have selected the go through with bank account, so my account has been created now. Yeah, this is my account now. Is your organization is an advertising agency? No. Who pays for your ads? Yes, we paid for directly payment card. Now this is your Google Ads dashboard, and this is your ID of Google Ads dashboard. So if you want to connect with a Google team, then they will definitely ask this ID, and apart from that, they will also ask this email ID as well. They will match both this. Without these two, we can't connect with the Google Ads customer support. So this is the dashboard of Google Ads, and for uh, keyword planner, we have to move into tools, planning, keyword planner. Now discover the tools. Can you give me any kind of keywords from your end? I just want to try it with your keywords. Any keyword, Mandira? Social media marketing. Okay. For location, Hyderabad. Let's target. Let's target Dubai this time. What do you say? Hmm? Because multiple locations we have to practice in different. I mean, we have to think out of the box and see how it goes. Hmm? You might have got one doubt here. I mean, while setting up account, we have given Hyderabad address, and now we are doing research or we are running ads for UAE. How it is possible? Is that possible? It is possible. Exactly. So, I mean, guys, you should get this kind of questions because we can create accounts from anywhere. If we are creating the account from India, then the tax around Google Ads amount what we spend, it will go to the Indian government. Or if we create accounts from other part of the countries or the globe, then the tax of those amount with what we spend on Google will go to their respective countries. And there might be some restrictions. For example, if you want to run ads for Australia, there will be some restrictions because it will be asking their Australian, I mean their local documents which we need to submit. So based on this country to country, Google will change, I mean allow us some, give some restrictions, and they will check, cross check that whether that business is valid in that particular location or not, or it is registered within the government of that particular cities or countries as no. So that is the reason for restrict for some companies, for some countries it will ask us the certification to upload, but I don't see that for India it will not ask anything, and for Saudi, US also it will not ask anything. I have run ads in these regions, and also I have run ads on European region as well, but it didn't ask anything for me. But it has asked me when I run ads on Australian region. There, if I was, when I was trying to run ads on Australian region, then Australian country has asked me for their local certification to run the ads. So this is how. Sorry. Okay. I'll just add a couple of keywords as well here, apart from social media marketing, social media strategy, and social media digital agency. Okay, these are the keywords what I have given, and we can simply download it. We can download it from here, and with the help of Google Sheets or any other Excel sheets, we can uh, divide the keywords and we can select the keywords. With the help of the keywords, there we can, which we will be using for SEO and Google Ads as well. This is how we uh, do the keyword research analysis with the help of Google Keyword Planner. I'm pausing for a second. If you have any doubts, you can go ahead. I mean, in my, I mean, I was given that my past experience. I mean, for Australian region, while I was submitting ads for Australian region, it has asked me their local certificate. I mean, Australian business number, Australian ABN number, Australian business number, which their government will give once they register into their government portal. But I have found only for Australia in my experience. But I have run ads on, I mean, US. I don't have any issues. Europe, I don't have any issues. Gulf, I have run many ads on it. I have run many ads on India. I don't find any issues. But while I was running ads on Australia, I found only one issue of submitting the local certificate. Uh, Mandira, is it clear for you? I mean, you got a bit confusion around it. Hmm? Okay, thank you, thank you. So now let's go back to our this session. Basically, I have in the previous session I've already discussed about the five pillars of SEO. One is keyword research part, and the other is keyword mapping, on page, off page, and technical SEO. These are the five SEOs and the tools of keyword research. But I prefer with Google Keyword Planner. I recommend Google Keyword Planner itself because Google will have lot of data. I mean, there there is no comparison with Google to the other tools because Google has huge number of data because every individual have their Gmail account. So every data is with Google. So I usually prefer Google to get data related digital strategies or digital marketing strategies. So as we already completed keyword research, now we have to map the keyword mapping. Keyword mapping is nothing but the next topic is keyword mapping. Keyword mapping is nothing but we need to include our keyword word in meta title, meta description, H1, and URL architecture and content of the landing. Basically, if we need to do keyword mapping, let us assume that uh, social media marketing is the keyword. Hmm. So this keyword should act as H1, hmm, and the same keyword should be available on URL, and the same keyword should be available on meta title, meta description, and content of the landing page. For example, I'll show you how. Social media marketing. This is the keyword. Sorry. This is the keyword what we have given at Google. Now see, this is meta title. It is called as meta title. Here you can see social media marketing agency, and here you can see social media management or marketing. You can see you, hmm, Exactly. Yes. So URL is nothing but unique referral link. This is the link. mm, Link of a website. For example, this is the website. mm, And if you click on this, this acts as a link. URL. URL is nothing but unique redirecting link. Unique referral link. Sorry, unique referral link. So it will act as a URL. I mean, this with the if we can copy this and search in, uh, we can see, now we can search on any of the search engines. Then this page will come. This is the page it will come if you search on Google or if you search on Bing, Yahoo. If this website is indexed in all the search engines, if you search on if you search with help of tablets, mobiles, or desktop, laptops, from any source or any uh, devices, if you search on this, then we should land on this landing page. Landing page is nothing but landing on a specific page or a website is called landing page. Here, by clicking this website, see, for example, by just I have given one keyword here. We got multiple websites. Mm, by just clicking this website, I will be landed to this blog. So this will automatically called as landing page in digital marketing terminology, or web page. We can also call as web page in developers terminology. Okay, where we are landing after clicking any kind of URL is called as landing page. URL is nothing but a unique referral link where we directly go to that specific page. Instead of this land complete website, we will go with only that specific page. I mean, in a website, there might be several URLs. I mean, website don't consist of only homepage. It will consist of blogs. It will consist of service pages. It will consist of press releases. It will consist of contact us pages. So many URLs will be coming moving forward, because if we want to do all these activities, because we need to write many blogs. We need to write at least one blog in a month, that I will discuss you in the link building activity. So, uh, by giving interlinkings, our website domain authority increases, and that is the reason we will try to improve. And Google algorithm will push our website to the top of SERP. These are the competitors. We have to compete with them. We have to do all the SEO activities like link building, blog submissions. So while doing everything, if our DA gets increased, then we increase our positions from 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5. So that is the process, that is the chain. Uh, is that okay, Mandira? You got my uh, answer? Okay. Uh, what is meta title and what is meta description as well? Okay, you asked about H1 and URL. I'll also give you what is meta title, what is meta description, how to paste the content of the landing page. Okay, let us go with the same uh, keyword. This is the keyword. Everything in SEO is surrounds with the keyword content landing page. Everything will be moving around this part only. So let us assume that this is the keyword. We have searched in the Google search bar, and we have received some searches. Some of them, top of them are sponsored content. They are, it means that they are running ads for this keyword. And for SEO, this is the keyword. They are doing a lot of good SEO. So this, you can see that URL here. Hmm? This is called 9 social media examiner, your guide for marketing jungle. It acts as a meta title. And the description below it, it acts as a meta description. This is it acts as a meta title, and it acts as a meta description. You can clearly check that whatever the keyword we search in search engines, everything will be available on their meta title, meta description, and their URL as well. Got it? You can clearly see that you can see that social media strategy, social media marketing. You can see that social media marketing. You can see that social media marketing. You can also see that social media platforms. Yeah, here it is, social media marketing. So Google algorithm matches the relevancy of the keyword. I mean, we have searched for this. Google tried to show the relevancy for our keyword. So what they do is they map this keyword with the URL, with the landing page, meta title. This is the meta title. This is the meta description. Google tried to map map, and due to Google try to relevant show the relevant results. So that is the reason it will target. Okay, how many websites are there which are showing social media marketing? So Google will list, Google crawlers will list the companies which are targeting social media marketing. So many millions of companies will be coming. Okay, then then Google algorithm will sort out with the SEO content. SEO content is nothing but meta title, meta description. Now you can see that URL architecture as well. If you click on this website, you can see that H1 as well. You can see that you can use. You can see that okay, this is the SEO tool which I'm using. This for just uh, for your guidance. I'm just showing it. You can see that this is the meta title and this is the meta description, and here they have missed the trick of H1. See, you can see that H1 is as well social media marketing. So, and you can clearly see that social media marketing in the URL as well. Hmm? And you will also see that social media marketing in the content part as well. If you click on the link, you can search social media marketing. You can see that it is giving at the top itself. Hmm? So this is how Google uh, uh, gives us the results with the help of relevancy. To get the relevancy, we need to map the keywords. So mapping the keywords, we have five criterias. One is meta title, meta description, H1, URL architecture, and content of a landing page. Total five parameters. We need to cross check that whatever the keywords we are trying to work on with SEO, that keyword should be exactly mapped with these five parameters. It should include meta title, it should include meta description, H1, URL architecture, content of landing page. Everything should be there with the help of keyword. And we can also guide the developer if we are working for blogs. If you are working for blogs, then we have to give the URL of the blog to the developer. We can give a task to developer. Okay, for example, Satkun, I need a URL. With the help of this, just you can see that this, it is a perfect URL. You can see that it is a domain. It has given a blog, and it has also given a social media marketing. That is the keyword what we have searched in Google search engine. So it has perfect keyword. That is the reason it has it is on top of Google SERP first page. So many of the agents, many of the business people don't map it. They will just look into the look and feel of a website and leave it. So basically, we need to map the keyword what we are targeting on SEO. Based on that, we will our results will improve on search engine results page. Either it might be Google or Bing or Yahoo. I'll pause for a second. If you have any doubts, you can go ahead. Am I clear so far with the keyword mapping topic? Hi, team. Hmm? Okay, then if everything is clear, it's happy for me. And I just want to move for the next topic. Our next topic is Google Key on-page SEO. On-page SEO is more of a theory where I think I've already shared you my notes of on-page SEO. I just exactly good question. Basically, we have spoken about five pillars here. Five pillars keyword map. First one URL. Second one meta title, meta description. Fourth one H1. Fifth one content of the landing page. Okay, these are the five pillars. How we have to write it. Now, if you are writing a content for a blog, for example, let us do the same thing for reach now. Then what we have to do? Reach now, innovative solutions, solutions slash dot com, sorry, dot com slash blog slash social media marketing slash. So this is the URL architecture we need to give to Sadhguru. For example, if you are writing, if you are targeting for this keyword, hmm, we have to cross check that social media marketing is the keyword that should be available on the URL of that landing page, or whichever the landing page we are trying to push to top of SERP. For example, this team has push this landing page. Okay, we have checked this now. For example, this team has pushed this landing page, this blog page, to rank on top of SERP. As an SEO person, we need to drive it. We need to design a strategy, and we need to work on. Okay, if you want to target this keyword, then we need to create a blog around that keyword. We need to give an URL architecture, and that should design by us only, because then only we will get some confidence. If not, we can't rely on the developers. Yes, we can take suggestions from them, but for blogs, or if you want to rank on top of SERP, then you need to give your input to the developers, and that is the reason you can write this kind of URL. One thing. Second is meta title. Now we have to generate meta title. How to generate meta title? There is a specific character limit for meta title is 40 to 60 characters. Beyond that, if there is any limit, it will show that dot dot dot. For example, if it crosses 60 characters, let us see that 2025, after that it will show as dot dot dot. There will not be any clear direction. So you can see that whoever write the meta title within slab of 60 characters, they will rank on top of SCRP. This is also another parameter where Google will uh, show the results. So for meta title, it is 40 to 60 characters, and for meta description it is 140 to 160 characters. Yes, now we got the meta title and meta description characters, but how to write it? For that, we can go with the tool called meta title and description generation. There are many tools in the online. You can click on that tool. Now we can topic social marketing is the topic, and that you're also targeting the same thing. For example, if you are using digital marketing is the topic, and social media marketing will be the keyword. Hmm. So as of now, I'll break the same create. See, it has already generated a social media marketing boost your online presence and discover the effective social media strategy, enhance your digital. So we have many tools from where we can generate meta title and description, and I recommend you to use your uh, brand to get trigger on meta titles. So by reach now is the keyword what I give. Reach now, capital R. Now see that you can see that, okay, social media marketing by reach now boost your brand. This we can take and give it to the developer. They will use in the header tags. If not, if you are working for a WordPress website, you can directly upgrade or you can directly create the URL architecture. I mean, these all five pillars what I've been speaking about. Everything can be monitored by a digital marketing person if the website is in WordPress. So that is the reason I recommend WordPress for small businesses, because we should not disturb more. I mean, we should not disturb to the developers. If we are working for large websites, then if the website is custom coded, then we should copy this title and description and share with the developer, and ask the developer to update in header tags as meta title, as meta description, and even URL. H1 is nothing but the keyword, the starting keyword, what triggers. See, this is the starting keyword. H1 acts as the first keyword on the landing page acts as an H1. So it will allow Google algorithm to show the relevancy that if someone is looking for social media marketing, then this is the perfect landing page. Then it will promote our website or web landing page on top of SERP, and through that we will get traffic to our website. So this can be done by the help of developer, or for WordPress website we can do directly. Okay, I'll show you the WordPress website as well. Once our website is done, I'll show you how all these activities once our website is done. And coming to the content of the landing page, while while a content writer writes, or while we write a content for a specific landing page, then we need to insert this keyword called social media marketing. Without this keyword, we should not write any kind of content. If we write it, then it is no use for us, because Google algorithm will not push that landing page on top of a CRP. So basically, we need to keep in mind that all these five pillars should be available with our included with our keyword. Is that clear? For that, Sadhguru, I need WordPress dashboard. So that is the reason I was hunting for you in the last couple of weeks. So can you share me the link in the chat box? Can you share me the link in the chat box? Okay. Demo. Memory original. Okay. Hmm. Yes. Slash WP. WP. Okay. For that, we need some plugins. We need just give me a minute. I'm getting background noise. Can someone mute it? Because I'm getting a lot of disturbance. Okay. Thank you, whoever has done it. But the team, this is the WordPress dashboard. For small businesses, uh, I would recommend to use WordPress. For big website or big businesses, then there is no option. I mean, we can't control with the website or WordPress. We need to go with the custom coded. So for website, sorry, WordPress, if you want to do the SEO, we need to install some plugin called Yoast. So I'm going with the plugin, add plugin in the search bar, Yoast. This is the SEO plugin for WordPress. And apart from Yoast, there is also a plugin called Rank Math. You can use any of them. Both of them are good at SEO. So I have worked on both of them, but I will recommend Yoast because I have done a lot of work on Yoast. So you can use Rank Math as well. I've done that as well. So we need to install the plugins. Once it gets installed, then it will come. Yeah, yeah. We have to install the plugin and we have to activate the plugin. Once the plugin gets activated, then it is integrated with your website. With the help of your plugin, we can directly do SEO activities, on page SEO activities, or we can also do create the landing pages as well. If Sadgun, is this website ready? Mm, oh, no issues. Because it is not allowing me to move forward. Just give me a minute. See, this tool, what it do is it reduces man interference. It will use lot of work. It will auto check everything and gives us the errors. If we fix that error, then we can. Okay, I mean it is asking us to register it. Later we can do it. No issues. Okay. For example, let's go with the post. I'm just doing. You can delete it afterwards, Sadhguru. Okay, will that work for you? Can I can I play around it? Hmm? Okay, no issues. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So if we edit this page, I mean, see here we can do everything. What I was speaking about. See SEO, we need to give the keyword. This keyword, I don't know what keyword we have triggered. So we need to give the keyword. We need to give the slug the URL. I mean, just now I was saying that reach now innovatives slash dot com slash slash social marketing. So this is the slug. Now I want the site this this to be used as title and URL as well. See, I'm just selecting both. Now we can add a description here. I mean, we are not using any help of developer. I got the access of this dashboard use plugin. Then I am giving everything what I'm looking for. So we have given the same title, description, and H1. For H1, you can see that this is the URL, the sample URL. This would be the description what we have. I mean, I haven't updated it yet. I haven't saved it yet. So once I save, it will changes here. And URL title H1. This is the content of the web. Let us assume that this is the content of the landing page. So then we have to give that start with social media marketing title title, and we should also add. You can add backgrounds, text, everything that our developers will do it. You can change the everything here. And after that, if you still go, and let us assume that this is our title, then we will also having the content. For example, let's take this as a content. If the website is already designed, then I would have shown better way. But this website doesn't have much content, so there we can add some titles. Okay, let's see this as a title or H1. Now let's save it. See, I haven't used the content. I have changed it. I haven't done anything on the content of a landing page. I haven't worked on the fifth pillar. I've worked on title, description, and URL architecture, right? Now you can see that discover is now marketing. See, this was the title and this was the description. Okay, if you click on it, you can okay, this is the disc. Uh, as I've already told you that after 60 characters it will trigger as dot. So we have given more than that because I have given the complete description title. For description it got good. So without help of these developers, we have changed meta title and description, but we need to take help of developers for custom coded websites as well. This is how we need to do it. And apart from that, there are some other topics which we'll discuss, which I'll give you a brief introduction tomorrow on meta robots, breadcrumbs, canonical tags as well. This is also a good topic which we all will be done with the help of digital marketer for WordPress website. But for custom coded, we need to generate content around it and we need to share it with the developers. So I mean, is that good for you so far? What I have said, is that clear? Hmm? Okay, good, good. Well, we'll stop for the session today. Um, Tomorrow we'll totally discuss about the on-page factors. That would be totally a theory session, and I'll discuss you explain you what each topic is all about. For example, today I have discussed about keyword mapping. Yesterday I have discussed about. Last class I have discussed about keyword research. But today, tomorrow, we'll discuss the topics of robot.txt file, canonical URL, schema markups. There are thus topics which will cover tomorrow. Till then, what I'll recommend is please go through my SEO notes which I have shared yesterday. Apart from this file, I've also shared one file with on page factors of SEO. We are moving with the third pillar of search engine optimization. Tomorrow we'll cover everything. It will be more related to theory class. Well, I'll be explaining each and every topic, and moving forward we'll complete the other two sections as well. If you have any doubts, I'll pause for a second. So far, any doubts? Yeah, that is the reason I'm hunting on Sadgun. No, no, I mean, we are on a right direction, sir. We will figure it out. Me and Sadgun will figure it out by this weekend. We have one session. Yes, yes. Yes. Exactly. So basically, exactly. No, sir. I mean, No, it is the right time. What I believe is because we have shown on how to do research, and we have shown how to do keyword mapping. The next topic would be on-page SEO. That would be totally on theoretical session. On-page is nothing but theory. So we need to know what topic is. So I'll be giving the videos of all those topics, so we can brush up anything anytime. So technical SEO also one time. I want to implement with our website itself. So most probably that would be done in the next week, and then the recurring activity comes, that is link building activities, where yes, that is the reason, till our website gets complete. Simultaneously I want to show the same thing, how our website is coming, and how our landing page builds, how meta title comes, how description comes, how h1 will acts. So that is the reason I'm giving a brief overview of that, so that if they see our landing page in future, once the website gets ready, they should get some idea. Okay, this was the topic, this was the H1, this was the meta title, and this is how we work on the URLs, URL architectures. So as of now, I think that we are on a right direction. Need to push little hard towards Sadgun. That's it.